Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, all different stores, little fun deals, viral finds, all that. If you're returning, welcome. If you're not, make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss my hauls. And yeah, so today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. It's from two stores, the ones that are connected. And yeah, this might be a smaller haul, but there's just so much new stuff, so I want to get it right to you guys. So yeah, definitely grab a snack, grab a drink. This is the apple juice from Dollar Tree, but I'm just reusing the container because I love the container. But anyway, subscribe, jump in, let's go. So the first thing we got is this. It's a mini silicone ice cube tray. And it has a lid, which that's what sold me because in my freezer, my ice cubes always like fall out because it always gets loose. But with a lid, like, are we kidding? For $1.25, I couldn't believe it. So we got her. Then I've never seen these pens before, and I'm kind of obsessed. So they're like fruit toppers on them. Like, are we kidding me? I have to take it out because I need to see it. But literally, these are so freaking cute. Like, are we kidding? Look how cute that is. Like, I know I shouldn't get excited about pens, but I don't care. So yeah, these are new by Jot. So be on the lookout for that. Then I did get one singular case because I needed an extra case for my one hand sanitizer, which is right here. So yeah, needed one more case, so got that for that. Then I did get two glass nail files, which I'm stoked for. So we have this pink one and this green one. And glass nail files work so much better than like normal. So if you guys see these, snag them up while you see them. Because, yeah. Okay, next up, let's do some hair. So first off, we got this Be Pure Nighttime Hair Serum. Overnight hydration for all hair types. Sorry, my sweatshirt is choking me. So yeah, this is super fun. And then they had a hair mask too that you wash out, but I just like the leave-in ones. So we got the night serum. This is so fun. So I'm excited for that, to try that. Oh, I did get another glass nail file. It looks like this, like that pattern. So that's cute. Oh, sorry, buried under all my stuff, I did find two hand sanitizers, the Barbie and the green Crayola. I love these. They're so cute. So cute packaging. Hi! My cat is sound asleep right here. Okay. Sorry, I'm distracted. Okay, hair. Now let's do this. Okay, by personal care, we have the all over body mineral deodorant. And this is lavender and white tea. 24-hour use all day. Like, yes. So let's see. Keeps you feeling fresh all day, contains mineral salts, and is enriched with calming and refreshing notes of lavender and white tea. Prevents body odor by creating an invisible protective barrier to block odor up to 24 hours, and does not leave you sticky or white residue. So this one is white tea and lavender. And then I got the other one that is no scent at all, because I actually like no scent, but I was like, I want a backup. So if I see these again, I'm definitely getting more. Like, this is so good, especially for summer right now. So, $1.25. So if you guys see these, snag them. And again, everything I'm showing you is at $1.25. Okay, next up is this. So this is by Ampro Beautiful Child, Ampro Pro Style Sweet Pea Hair Cream for me. Sweet pea protein and jojoba oil condition soften tresses while adding shine. So, and benefiting St. Jude's Hospital, which is always nice. So it strengthens hair with sweet pea protein and argan oil. So it says it's for kids, but I feel like you don't have to be a kid to use it. And my hair is kind of brittle, so yeah, but this is new, so I'm excited about that. Then by the Extra Hair brand that we've seen a lot, this is the hydrating mask. Argan oil hydrating mask, rich conditioning treatment. So we have this, so that's fun. Then our last, no, it's not our last one, but this I'm super excited for. So this is by the Rusk Pro. This is Gloss 04 Shine Spray. Like, are we kidding? and it says apply in quick bursts to both sides of hair section from 8 to 10 away to distribute the product in direction of the cuticle and then style. So I'm excited to try this. We'll see if it works, but why not? Okay, then, Conair at Dollar Tree. So this is the Instant Volume for Dry Hair Ultimate Root Booster Conair styling brand. $1.25 for this. So this is what the brush looks like, and I kind of did it with my hair. It's like volumized. So for $1.25, not bad. So, yes. Alrighty. Next, with more hair. These are literally at Walmart for $7. And I got them on sale for $2 at Walmart. But now they're $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So these are the Bow Knot hair scrunchies. 2-in-1 scrunchie with bow. So no crease, and you can layer or you can take them apart. So that's fun. So we have this pattern. And then we have this really cute pattern. So yeah, $1.25. I was shook. So I did get another one of the red lip masks because I'm obsessed with this, and I'm putting this in my beach bag because yes. Okay, then Stila is back, like I said in my other haul, and I got this one in Carmelo because this is my favorite one. So Stila is back, and then elevator pitch. So love that. Okay, then I did get more of the juncture socks because, like I said, these are so stretchy, and you get 3 pairs, and the men's socks fit so much better. So got those. Random. Then I did need more lip scrubbers because you have to throw them away after a while. So I needed a new one. So why not get the 2-pack? So got those. Then this color in the Clean Color lip balm I did not have, and this is Cherry Spunk. So I'm super excited about her, so we got her. Okay, this one is an oldie, but I loved it, so I wanted more. A new one. It's the Mint Chip Ice Cream Cone lip balm. I love this. Oh, my cat almost just fell. And so I wanted another one because I haven't had one in forever. Okay, then this last stuff is all brand new. So, finally I found the friggin' mushroom beauty blender. Anyway, these are the 3 colors. So you get a light blue, an orange, and a light pink. So super cute, and they're really like nice. So we got those. Then by Spa Ash, we got a new Wickedly Divine Matte Liquid Lipstick. And we're going to open it because the packaging of this is so cute. Like, look at the packaging. Like, this looks so bougie. Like, are we kidding? And let's look at the color. Okay, good. There's no scent. That color is super pretty, though. I mean, the thing is, like, definitely plastic, but it looks so cute. So, $1.25, yay. Okay, then we have this 3-piece peel-off mask set. Rosewater, cucumber, and 24 karat gold. Embrace your face. Yeah, a 3-pack for $1.25. So this is the rosewater, silver, and 24 karat gold. So again, you get 3 for $1.25. Shock. Then the last 2 things are by Bloom Naturals. These are the makeup removing cleansing palettes, blemish control. Like, are we joking? And you get 30 biodegradable wipes in here. So these are the blemish control ones by Bloom Naturals. Then there's another one by, again, Bloom Naturals, and this is the cleansing towelettes hydrating treatment. So we have hydrating and then blemish control. And again, you get 30 in each of these. But, like, how great is that name brand? Like, amazing. Like, definitely scored in these 2 locations. I am not mad about it. But yes, so that concludes this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, I should be on the hunt for, and your favorite item. And don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.